Thank you so much for joining us in this course. So what exactly are we going to learn in this course? You're going to learn how to be a volunteer abroad and travel along the way, getting amazing experiences that you can share with the rest of your family, friends, and the world. Really, volunteering and traveling go hand in hand. And if you want to start to travel but don't know how to, take this as the opportunity to be your first travel experience. Because it's an organization who helps you along the way, and you also end up helping a cause, whether it be for animals, the environment, vegetation, or simply helping out third world countries. You can decide what exactly your niche is going to be. And in this course, I'm going to be showing you several programs that you can join which have a reputation of being great. Some of these are a lot better than others, but nevertheless, I'm going to show you just the ones that work. I'm also going to go over some tips on the type of people that they're looking for when it comes to these volunteer programs, and how to take care of yourself when you're going on these volunteer programs. Generally, you don't have to worry too much because the programs take care of mostly everything. And that's the great thing about these programs. If you're just going to travel on your own to a place you want to go, you have to worry about food, you have to worry about sleep, you have to worry about things you're going to do, and then whether or not you're going to make friends. When you're joining a volunteer program, you're joining a group of people with a purpose of helping to achieve one goal. You're going to make friends almost instantly, and you're traveling for a purpose. Nevertheless, you're going to be shown how to get food on your own and places where you can sleep. So at the end of the day, you're going to have stuff to do, you're going to have fun, and you're not going to worry as compared to traveling on your own. So really, travel volunteering is one of the great ways to get started. Lastly, near the end, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on how to select an organization as your first one and how to get accepted into these programs much faster. So, without further ado, let's get started.